Hey guys, it's me Mariah from Around Miraya, and today I have a brand new video for you guys. So today we're going to be going to Retail Park and Hobbycraft to make some things for Halloween. And also, can you see that I am wearing this amazing mask? This is my mask and it's really good. And me and my mom are going to Retail Park, and my jacket is very good, as you can see. So hey guys, it's me Mariah from All Around Miraya, and today I have a brand new video for you guys. So today me and my mother are going to Retail Park in Hobbycraft to get some stuff ready for Halloween. I am wearing my mom's jacket and my mom's shoes, and I'm wearing these tights and our overall dress. I also have my mask with me, so as you can see, this is my dress. Very lovely, and we're going to Retail Park, so come on, let's go. But before we go, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, so you know it will help me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are just walking around and heading to Retail Park. This is a different way. We're going through a very nice tunnel. As you can see, there's a tunnel right there. There's some bikers. And we're just moving along into the Retail Park. Now we are on the way in the little forest bit, which is a little scary, but you know, it's safe. There's a little graffiti on those walls. Sometimes, some of it is really creepy, some of it is, you know, okay, but mostly creepy. This would be the perfect, this area. If you do live in Newbury, please, if you love, you know, haunted movies, would like to do like scary stuff and make like haunted movie little short films, then do come here, because it's a perfect place to make the best scary film. So guys, we just passed a very wonderful bridge that showed us some stuff about how the cars like go around, and right now we're in this really cool alleyway. Next to us is actually a real house beside those wooden gates. As you can see, this is a really old place, and this is the park where I pretended to be like doing a short film, because there's this little connection. So we were getting really close to Retail Park because I could see the McDonald's sign and the New Look sign, and I saw the McDonald's sign, and I'm kind of like pretending to do a horror film, because you can do like a bunch of horror films in this area. As you can see, there's a bunch of rubbish and stuff, and I'm being a very bad actor trying to do this stuff. But yeah, it's a really nice place to make horror films. I know one of my friend called Tisha Books, she really likes making horror films, so this is the best place to really come. Right now I'm just playing around, you know, because it's a horror film, and right now my mom told me to pretend to be doing a horror film, and I pretended, and honestly it looks just plainly weird, but as you can see, I couldn't stop laughing, because horror films are really hard. So guys, we have arrived in Retail Park, and we're going to first go head to Hobbycraft, and then we might get something to eat. After that lovely music of the violin, we are arriving at our destination. So we were actually going to go to Hobbycraft first, but instead we decided to look at some other shops. So as you can see, Hobbycraft is right there next to Costa and Pound Stretcher. So we actually went to Pound Stretcher first. As you can see, we are in Pound Stretcher, and straight up we came to the store. There's a bunch of Halloween stuff. sadly, we didn't find anything we needed, even though there was a bunch of fake clotting blood, these really nice costumes, as you can see, the costumes, and yeah, these little cute little masks, and these very, very, very dangerous weapons, all there. I just got some candy, which I'll show you later on. Right now we're in Pound Search, just looking for some normal grocery stuff. We are going to buy some of these lights. We've already bought them, just so, because we thought it'd be a little good in Halloween. And by the way, today is the 30th of October, and tomorrow is Halloween, so we might make a video tomorrow, we probably will. But enough of that. As you can see, there's a bunch of Christmas decorations. We didn't find much Halloween ones, but there was more Christmas than Halloween. And as we can see, we are in the doll section, and there's a bunch of toys, stuff you can buy, and really, really big and cuddly teddy bears. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of Christmas stuff. My mum did buy some Christmas lights, just because of, we could show them off in Halloween. Even though Halloween is very far away from Christmas, we still got some. There's still a lot of Halloween stuff. I even found this wig, but sadly we didn't buy anything related to Halloween from that.
Bolo?
So guys, I just got this really cool blowing jar of chewing gum. We got this from Pound Search, and now we're going to try it. See how the chewing gum goes. Oh look, I have chewing gum right here. So you press here, and it opens a little lever which will give you one chewing gum. So as you guys can see, we are finally in Hobbycraft, and the thing we see straight away is this amazing little showcase made by all the Hobbycraft workers. As you can see, there's a bunch of crochet, paintings of pumpkins, and underneath that we have like a bunch of stuff. Now really quickly, we just left Hobbycraft, and now we're in McDonald's trying to get our meal. So there's this really cool NHS app, and we ordered a really delicious meal, which is going to come away in 5, 4, 3. There it is. So I ordered a McChicken meal with Fanta, McChicken sandwich, and fries. And my mum ordered an apple pie and coffee. Now we're in Tesco's, and we're trying to buy some things that we can use for our special Halloween cake that we will be making tomorrow in my case. So we decided to make a Halloween cake. We always make cakes on these special occasions. So we're trying to buy some stuff. Guys, now I'm going to be showing you what I got for Halloween. First of all, this is not related, but it's a very cool chewing gum thing, which is sour chewing gum. So the first one is there's a little lever that pops up, and the one chewing gum that will give you a chewing gum in. That's one. I also got a stapler and some other stapling. I also got a stapler and some other staple pins that I have for my homework and stuff. We've got these 2 pom-poms because we want to do some for Halloween. These are from Hobbycraft. We've got yellow and orange, and we're going to use these for puja and like the Indian festival and stuff, and like that. We've also got the milk chocolate chips, which we're going to use for our Halloween cake, which my mum will be making on her channel. I also got some 100 LED ultra bright lights for Halloween because we're going to be decorating our house. We also have some really cool 25 quality tea lights. These are just normal candles that you can use to light up. So there's a lot of them, and we like to get these. I also got my staples for my stapler. I got this makeup kit, which I'm going to be doing as my makeup kit for Halloween. It's going to be like a Day of the Dead makeup kit. We've also got some little pumpkin chocolates, round balls, which my mum will also be using for her cake on Halloween. I got this lollipop. So we have 3 giant apple flavoured lollipops by the company Ron. And then we've got these really cool 36 triangular markers for just £5 in Hobbycraft. It's a really nice store, and I can use it in using for squishies, drawings, and most of the normal stuff. I also got 2 of these LED 4 PK candles. These are LED candles, not real, and also from Poppy Pack, I think like £1. So yeah, that's what we got. We got a bunch of stuff from all Brothers and more of the grocery. So guys, that's the end of the vlog, and maybe in my next vlog we might do a little bit based on Halloween, maybe doing my face paint, makeup and stuff. But till then, remember to like, subscribe, and remember every day's a miracle. Bye bye.